Say hi. Now, in the Airbnb. Wow, this is the bathroom. And here is the upstairs. Oh, this is so big. Oh, one more room here. One more room here. One more room to wash. There's a room there.
Oh, and here.
You sleep with Abba, I sleep here.
But we sleep there.
Nakalaklatan. Nakalakla. You have to turn on the aircon there. Dito, Nini. Hi. Here is the turn on. And
Laundry.
and this is the cabinet.
Happy birthday, happy
Hi,
birthday. Happy birthday, Lotte.
Ay, watangkid ka ng putang.
I will go dance.
Isip ko la. Isip mo, mama. We're here in Milan now. Hindi, one vlog. How much? Oh, Milan. Let's go na. You like it? You're in Milan? Eh? Wow, you're in Milan. Picture kidja. Yan, so ito na kami sa Milan for the third time. Oh, punta tayo dun, ikot.
Let's go to the
Oo.
Paloma.
Tara. Yeah, let's go. Venga. Mas. Mas, venga. Punta kami sa ikutan. Come here. I'll take a picture here.
Here.
Here, in the middle. Stand up there. Here again. No, no. You like it? You're in Milan? Ale went here, in Milano. Eh? You're so lucky, eh? You're here. Saint Laurent, Longchamp, Rolex. Go, kuya. It's your turn. Circle. Like this.
Dapat kung tatawid na isa. Like clockwise. Yeah.
Mm.
Always don't ginaroon that way.
We're going to Switzerland. Daming tao. Sana all mga traveler. Mga traveler. Oh, ayan ang bullet train ng Milan. Yan sila, pupunta sila ng Venetia. Punta sila ng Venice.